Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both devices. Make sure iCloud Drive is enabled and you use the same Apple ID. Next, install Obsidian but keep it closed while we move files. This prevents conflicts. Now choose a vault location inside iCloud Drive, either a top-level folder or the Obsidian app folder, because where you place it determines sync behavior and file visibility. Once done, create a new vault or copy your existing vault into that chosen iCloud folder. Then reopen Obsidian to check the vault. Once the vault lives in iCloud, configure Obsidian settings on each device so they point to that iCloud folder. This ensures you open the same vault everywhere. Make sure iCloud Desktop and Document Sync is on for Mac, which speeds propagation. If you use community plugins or specific settings, decide whether to sync the Obsidian folder. Include it if you want identical setups, exclude it if you prefer device-specific configs. If two devices edit simultaneously, expect conflicted copy files. Handle them manually. To finish, verify that the newest notes appear on all devices by comparing timestamps and opening several files. Make sure Obsidian plugins load if you synced the Obsidian folder. Restart the app after changes. If you see a conflicted copy, merge the content carefully, then remove duplicates only after backing up. If something still won't sync, sign out of iCloud and sign back in or toggle iCloud Drive off and on. This forces resync and often resolves stuck uploads or download delays.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.